Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am preparing my take for the best possible dish for kids, which is like a healthy food which can be served at school cafeterias and can be prepared at home as well for kids, for growing kids. So this is cauliflower fried rice which I'll be preparing today. I will like to run you through the ingredients which I'll be using. So I have a lot of vegetables which you can use at home to prepare this dish. I have taken bell pepper, peas, carrot, capsicum. I have taken cottage cheese, which is a good source of calcium, ginger garlic. Then we have broccoli, mushroom, we have zucchini, we have baby corn, and we have spring onion. We will be using eggs as garnish. Main ingredient is cauliflower, which I have grated and make it into fine rice sort of texture. And we will also be adding nuts to this. So to start off, what we will do, we will first dry roast these nuts so that they can release all their essential oils into the dish. So here I have nicely dry roasted these nuts. What it has done is it has released all the oils, essential oils from the nuts, and this will add a lot of bite to my dish and will give a nice crunchy texture to the dish as well. So now we will remove this. This is done. So for my dish, I am using freshly crushed mustard oil. This is local grown mustard which is grown in my locality, which I am using. It's very good for health as well. Same like what we have in Italy, in France we use olive oil. Here in India we have mustard, so we are using mustard. So once the oil gets heated up nicely, we will be using local spices here. This is cumin seeds. Now cumin adds a very good flavor to cauliflower, so we are using cumin. So now oil is heated up nicely, so we will add this cumin, let it crackle. You can hear the sound of crackling cumin seeds. We will reduce the flame a bit. So now once it has nicely crackled, what I will do, I will add my ginger and bit of garlic to it. And slowly we will add all our vegetables into it. Now this oil has become really flavored with these this ginger and garlic. So now I am adding carrot to it. These are all, this is fresh carrot, I have not boiled it. What will happen over the course of time with the heat, it will soften up. Now all the vegetables which I am using are locally sourced from the market. These are grown locally. So and when you use local vegetables, they are fresh, they are healthy and hygienic. So it will add a lot of vitamins to your dish, and a lot of energy will be released through these vegetables in the dish, which is very good for the growth of the kids. Now once we see the carrot has softened up, we will start adding our vegetables. I'm adding peas. Again, these are fresh peas. These are not refrigerated peas. These are not frozen. I've not boiled as well. Now I'll be adding the stem of this broccoli and cauliflower which I had removed and cut into small pieces. This adds to the crunch. Normally what we do, we throw it, but this is, again, it's very healthy, very tasty to eat, and it adds a lot of volume to your dish as well. So now we will start adding our capsicum, our red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper. This will not only give color to the dish, it will increase the volume of the dish, and I have used this color combination so it becomes more exciting for kids to eat. They will be enjoying this dish And at the same time, with kids, what happens, if first thing is they should like the look of the dish, and then it comes on to the taste. So once they like the look of the dish, they will enjoy the taste as well. Now I will be adding broccoli. I have taken florets of broccoli here, few broccoli and zucchini as well. It's soft, it will get cooked really fast. Then some mushrooms and baby corn. So most of the elements are in now. My dry fruits are already roasted. Once I feel that my vegetables are cooked thoroughly nicely, then I'll be adding my cabbage, my cauliflower rice, which is the main ingredient. And these, you can look at the colors. Nice colors are coming out of the dish. And adding this cottage cheese. This is fresh cheese made out of milk, made out of from cow's milk here in India, and we use a lot of cottage cheese at home. Now I will season it a bit with salt, so all my vegetables get the seasoning, and once I fold it with the cauliflower rice, the taste will come out. Okay, so now I am adding this cauliflower rice. I will mix all my veggies. Nicely. To this, I will add turmeric for color. Now this turmeric has very medicinal properties as well. This is antiseptic and it will give color to my dish, plus it will add taste and it's more healthy. We'll mix it well. Finish it off, we will add our roasted nuts to it and spring onion and bit of lemon juice. We will be plating it on cabbage leaves to make it look more attractive. So to garnish it, now what we will do, we will fry one egg, little bit of oil, mustard oil again, bit of salt, freshly crushed pepper. So here goes the fried egg, and our cauliflower fried rice with fried egg is ready. Served piping hot. You will see the yolk, nice and runny yolk. This will add moisture to the dish. Now here what I want to tell you, in this you can use chicken, you can use prawn as well as variation to add more protein to the dish. With vegetables, it's very healthy and nutritious. It has all the elements, all vitamins, iron, it has carbohydrates in it. All the elements are there which will help growth of our young kids and provide energy for their daily activity. Thank you very much.